So it's going to be more of a colorful, poetic, artistic exploration of the essence of spirit, the imagination, life, and love.
We talk about unity and diversity, but we also talk about really something that is timeless.
We will be painting and drawing our natal charts as mandalas. And if you look at your natal chart, you can see it as the sacred mandala of the soul.
All kinds of age groups. That's the whole thing, from the 20s to the 30s, the 40s, 50s, 60s, I think there was a few people even in their 70s, which was so cool.
On the last day, kind of like the grand finale, we're all going sailing.